robots, control robots. Namaste friends, my name is Kshirsagar and I am currently studying Robotics and Automation Engineering at MIT WPO. Basically, I have built many robots, voice control robot, PC control robot, Bluetooth control robot, which I learned how to control robots through the brainwave frequencies, and much more. I would like to show you one of the robot, that is PC control robot, that I built for my applied electronics engineering subject. So let's get started. So hey guys, I will be explaining you the PC controlled board. So the brown color part, as you can see, is the chassis, on which this is the Arduino Uno which is being mounted, and this is a switch, and these wires are called jumper wires, and this red color part is known as L298N motor driver, and these two are 9-volt batteries with their battery caps, and these two are wheels, and underneath this chassis we can find two BO motors, and underneath the L298N motor driver we can find a CASTOR wheel that is underneath this chassis. So as I explained earlier, we require Arduino Uno, so I will explain in brief what is the architecture of the Arduino Uno. So in Arduino Uno, as we can see, it consists of digital pins, analog pins, and power supply 3.3 volts, 5 volts, ground pins, VIN, and various other things are also being mentioned on this diagram. This is the reset switch, RX, TX. RX means receiver, TX means transmitter, and 13 so pin 13 LED. So the 13th pin is internally connected to this LED, and this is the power indicator. So there are so the digital pins, we can define these digital pins output or input, and we can give the power to specific pins by setting the command as high or low. So the let's see other components. So we require an L298N motor driver so that we can run the motors, as the motors require high power, but our Arduino Uno does not support that much high power. So motor drivers, they usually they support the high power, so we use motor driver so that we can run the motors or drive the motors. And so the BO motors means battery operated motors. So I have used two BO motors in my project, and CASTOR wheel. So this is the CASTOR wheel which I was talking about in the earlier video, that beneath the chassis a CASTOR wheel is being placed, that is behind the L298N motor driver. So this is the battery cap, 9-volt two 9-volt batteries and two battery caps I have used. These are the jumper wires. So jumper wires, I would like to explain that this is a male to female jumper wire. So male wire means this pointed thing is called a male wire, and which does not have a pointed thing is called female wire. So there are male to female wires, or female to female wires. So there are three types basically, means male to male, male to female, female to female wires. So according to the requirement we use jumper wires. So these are the wheels that I had used, that is two wheels I had used for two BO motors, and this is the circuit diagram. So as we can see the connections, how we have made the connections, and this is the PC or laptop so that we can program the Arduino. So as the video is getting too long, so I would not be explaining the code, that is the programming part, but I would like to share you my experience when I went to IIT Bombay with my friends. So I would like to show the model which I had made, the mechanical gripper, and the competition was Cosmo Clench. So this is the bot track that our bot had to go through at IIT Bombay.